Hello, I'm Chris Gaskin and welcome to my channel, Ultra Woody. If you didn't see my last week's video, it was a teddy bear. Have a look, he took me ages to make. Okay, let me know what you think. Okay, Glenn from Number One Projects is doing a thing called an along, okay? So this year it's a lamp along where you're invited to make a lamp. Okay? It's like a challenge, but it's called an along. Alright. Number One Projects link will be in the description. Check him out. He makes some nice stuff. Does some very good work. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little crane. Okay, I've got a little base like that. That's going to be a bit of wood turning, and then a lot of it is going to be woodworking. So I'm going to have a little derrick coming up, walnut, riddled with holes, and I'm going to hang a pendant lamp on it and put one of those LED filament bulbs on. Okay, I've got one, but I don't think I've got a fitting for it, so I'll have to see what I've got. All right, let's just get on with it. I'll start by turning this, then I'm going to turn the pulley wheel at the end. Yep, and then a lot of it will be woodworking. All right, let's crack on. Oh, sorry. If you're still with me, thanks for staying till the end. I've finished my crane lamp project. Okay. Right. Don't forget, this is a lamp along where I've followed Glenn from Number One's projects lamp along. It's a lamp. Okay. So make sure you check out his site and watch his lamp along. Right? Number One projects. It will be in the description. Okay, let's have a look at my lamp. There it is. Turn the thingamajig on. What do you think? I'm very pleased with it. It is. Let's turn it off. It's a little bit brighter for me. It is what it says it is. It's a crane lamp. I love all the holes. Can't go wrong with walnut. I love these filament lamps. I hope we're going to keep this. We've just decorated the small boy's room, or we're doing it at the moment. And fun fact, she's waiting for me to finish off doing all the gloss work. Because that's the job I get. Done the emulsion, I've got to do all the gloss. Okay, so this is possibly going to go in his room. I hope it does. Right, when you're working with these studded rods, be very careful. I kept on slashing my finger because I had a little burr sticking out and I kept on cutting myself on it until I realised I was getting blood on everything. Yeah. So, improvised plaster, masking tape. I'm sure you've all done it. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And follow along for all my wonderful projects. Okay, hope to see you soon. Don't forget to check out Glenn's site, Number One Projects. And see you next time. Bye.